stop paying per generation for Seedance 2.5 right now. I mean it. If you are buying standard credit packs on random AI websites just to squeeze out 3 or 4 decent video clips before your account drains dry, you are literally throwing your hard-earned money away. Right now, 90% of AI creators have no idea about a platform that not only hands you unlimited access to the highly coveted Seedance 2.5 model, but actually gives you the exact built-in workflow you need to start making serious money with it. While everyone else is burning through their wallets generating random 30-second clips just for fun, a small group of smart creators are quietly using this exact model to land high-paying commercial ad deals, build entire animated content libraries, and launch viral micro-drama series on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Today, I am going to expose exactly how they are doing it, and more importantly, how you can start doing it too the moment this video ends. Before we get into the workflow, hit the like button, share this with a friend who needs to see it, and subscribe to the channel. I am constantly dropping new high-value AI strategies, and you do not want to miss the next upload because it could genuinely give you a massive edge in this space. We are not just talking theory today. I am going to walk you through 3 real ways to monetize Seedance 2.5, starting with a hyper-realistic commercial-grade advertisement for one of the most viral products on the internet right now, Mr. Beast's Liquid Death Feastables collaboration. Then I am going to show you how to build a fully animated explainer-style video using multiple reference images at once. And finally, I am going to show you how to generate a face-consistent mini-movie using your own identity, complete with a feature most creators do not even know exists yet. The secret weapon behind all of this is a platform called Buzzy AI. You might have heard whispers about Buzzy, but you probably missed a massive update they just dropped, one that changes the entire landscape of AI video generation. They introduce specialized skill workflows that completely automate the heavy lifting of prompting, along with 2 brand new Seedance 2.5 capabilities that most people are sleeping on entirely: 50 image reference support and precision region editing. Here's the actual game changer though. Buzzy is currently offering a 7-day unlimited access pass to Seedance 2.5. You do not have to count your credits anymore. You don't have to panic when a generation comes out with a weird hand or a glitchy background. You can generate, tweak, regenerate, and perfect your footage as many times as you want without spending another dime. Getting this deal is simple. Click the exclusive link in the description below. My personal promo code automatically applies at checkout, instantly giving you a 51% discount and dropping their pro tier down to $20 a month. That is unlimited Seedance 2.5 access for less than the cost of a decent lunch. But saving money is only half the equation. Let us talk about making money. The demand for high-quality user-generated content and short-form commercial ads is exploding right now. Brands are desperately searching for freelancers who can create edgy, cinematic product videos without the overhead of hiring a full production crew, renting studio space, and buying expensive camera gear. With Buzzy AI and Seedance 2.5, you become a one-person production powerhouse, capable of charging clients anywhere from $500 to $2,000 for a single, high-quality promotional video generated from your desk in an afternoon. To prove exactly how powerful this is, we are creating a commercial ad right now for a product with genuinely demanding visual requirements: the brand new Liquid Death and Feastables Peanut Butter Cup Sparkling Water, Mr. Beast's latest drop. Just a quick disclaimer, this is purely a concept demo and is not sponsored by or affiliated with Liquid Death or Feastables in any way. I am simply using a highly popular product to show you how to build a premium commercial portfolio you can pitch to massive brands just like them. When you open Buzzy AI, skip the standard prompt box and head straight into the skill dropdown, because this is where monetization actually happens. I am selecting the branding ad skill, which automatically calibrates Seedance 2.5 to prioritize product focus, commercial lighting, and high-retention motion pacing. I am uploading a clean, high-resolution image of the Liquid Death Feastables can using the reference tool. Now here is where Buzzy separates itself completely from the competition. Director-level canvas controls that will blow your minds and your future clients' minds. I am typing a single prompt describing a dramatic slow-motion water splash surrounding the can in a dark, neon-lit environment. And on the storyboard canvas, I am adjusting lighting and camera parameters before the clip even renders. On the lighting panel, I am pulling the highlights down and adding heavy contrast, along with a strong magenta and cyan rim light to match the brand's underground aesthetic. On the camera panel, I am setting a dynamic sweeping orbit that starts low and heroic and booms upward as the water splashes in slow motion. I hit generate, and because I am on the unlimited plan, cost never even crosses my mind. Look at this result. The text and branding on the can are preserved flawlessly, historically one of the hardest things for any AI model to nail. The lighting we dialed in is fully integrated into the shot. The rim light hits the condensation perfectly, and the camera move alone looks like something out of a 5-figure production budget. Stack 3 or 4 clips like this, add heavy bass sound design in your editor, and you have a commercial-grade advertisement that a real brand would pay thousands for. Build a small portfolio of these concept ads, send them to local businesses, or pitch them directly on Upwork, and you can lock in serious freelance contracts almost immediately. Now let us move into something most creators have never even attempted: fully animated explainer content. And this is where Buzzy's 50-image reference feature completely changes the game. Instead of feeding the model a single image and just hoping for consistency, I am switching over to the AI animation skill and loading in multiple diverse reference images at once. We're talking different environments, character angles, historical props, and map styles, all in a single upload. Buzzy studies every single reference simultaneously and locks in one unified visual language across the entire project, so nothing breaks style halfway through. Watch this. I am typing one simple prompt: an educational explainer on how the ancient Silk Road trade routes connected the world, cinematic animated map aesthetic. Buzzy automatically pulls the research, breaks it into chapters, and builds out the entire animated sequence right on the canvas. Deserts forming, camel caravans walking, and glowing trade routes appearing right on cue. This is exactly the kind of high-end educational content that channels and brands pay real money for, and it literally took one prompt and a handful of diverse reference images. Finally, let us talk about narrative content, because this is where things get genuinely wild. The biggest barrier in microdrama content has always been character consistency. If your lead looks like a different person in every shot, your audience disconnects instantly. Buzzy solves this with the character IP workflow. I am uploading a clear reference photo of my own face, though you can use yourself or generate a completely original AI character. Buzzy builds a full character Bible in the background, locking in my facial features, skin tone, expressions, and wardrobe across an entire cinematic universe. I am going for a high-action, neon-lit martial arts theme, setting the use case to mini action movie, and typing a prompt for an intense combo sequence in Heavy Rain. Watch what happens when I need a small fix. Instead of regenerating the entire 30-second clip because of one detail I do not like, I am using Buzzy's new Region Edit tool, selecting just the background signage in the shot and swapping it out, while everything else, the character, the rain, the motion, stays completely untouched. That alone saves you dozens of wasted generations and hours of frustration. Look at the consistency here. Through fast, complex movements and Heavy Rain, my exact facial features hold steady with zero morphing and zero distortion. It looks like a high-budget Hollywood double, generated entirely from a laptop in minutes. This level of consistency means you can write out a full microdrama script, generate scene after scene, and stitch together a cohesive series. A sci-fi thriller, a fantasy epic, a gritty action drama, whatever you want. As your audience grows, you monetize through platform ad revenue, brand integrations, and eventually your own original intellectual property. The creators who win in this space will not be the ones testing random prompts for fun. They will be the ones who understand exactly how to use these skill workflows, the 50 reference system, region editing, and director-level canvas controls to produce real commercial value. Whether you are building an ad portfolio to sell to clients, producing animated explainer content brands are desperate for, or launching your own microdrama universe, the tools are sitting right in front of you. Stop burning money on limited credits. Click the link in the description, let the discount apply automatically, unlock your 7-day unlimited Seedance 2.5 pass, and start monetizing your AI skills today. The opportunity is already here. All that is left is for you to execute. Okay, bye-bye.